Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, August 1, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 22, 2023, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 342.66% since we first recommended buying Rigetti Computing 49 days ago. This translates to an average return of 6.99% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $2.52, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $3.32 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 305.3% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 112.96% and 213.72%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a minus 40.06% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between minus 100% and minus 36.10%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $2.08 after a year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Tuesday moving between $2.42 and $3.43. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price gained 30.52% on the last trading day, Tuesday, August 1, 2023, rising from $2.49 to $3.25. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 41.53% from a day low at $2.42 to a day high of $3.43. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 47.06% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 16 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $88.45 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $5.90, and the lowest price was $0.360. Currently, the price is 44.92%, or $2.65, below the 52-week high, and 71.41%, or $8.12, below the all-time high on March 2, 2022, when the price reached $11.37. Analysts have given Rigetti Computing stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock and sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $2.23 and $1.59. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, July 21, 2023, and so far it has risen 98.17%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 242 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 52 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 39 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.49. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $1 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.01 between high and low, or 41.53%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 21.52%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies experience down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2023 is expected on August 10, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.0900. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $2.49. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Fitzgerald Alyssa, who bought and sold 40,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -16.650. Overall, insiders purchased 5,725,274 shares and sold 10,193,376 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.13, minus 3.58%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 7 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, August 2nd, we expect Rigetti Computing to open down $0.218 and start trading at $3.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.